Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am creating this ultra warm gold-esque sort of 90s supermodel look because that is, after all, my aesthetic. And I used two Pat McGrath palettes to create this look today. These two guys right here. And some of my own MAC blushes that I put together to create my own palette. Excuse me. Sipping on my gin and juice. Laid back with my mind on my makeup and my makeup on my mind. For lips, I've done I've pre-done some MAC lip liner with my lashes. I've got a contact lens in. It's close to my own eye. Diameter is just a little bit wider. And it's more of the brown than the hazel of my own natural eye. And I just thought it would work really well with the gold tones that I have in here. That sort of warm chocolate brown with the gold. Just to create a soft, like, harvest makeup look. Because after all, it is like the middle of November. So, I'm going to finish off with some Pat McGrath for the lips. I know I always use Runway Rogue. And I always use Runway Rogue. But sometimes I get things that come across my desk and I'm like, you know what? I want to use this. Not even if it's just only to let me know that Runway Rogue is still the best freaking product on the market. So I will be using that, although I will say Pat McGrath, their eyeshadows, absolutely amazing. And I have zero complaints with the lip products that I've used from them. And I think that with the variety of Runway Rogue products that are available, you have every single thing that you need to make the perfect lip for you. So without further ado, let's finish the other side of this face. Okay, hello! Okay, this is supposed to be a silent video where I was just going to do no audio, but I have been drinking some gin libations while I was working on the first half of my face, and I just feel very talkative, so might be a talkative video. Let's pray and hope that I can remember what I did with these two palettes to create this look, because I really love this look. I think it's representing. So I'm going to try to do that for you on this side. And away we go. All right, starting with this Pat McGrath palette. This is the Eye Ecstasy Sublime Eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to start with... I like my Real Techniques brushes, and this is the 305 brush. This is like the big, like, contour crease brush or something. I forget the names. I don't know the names. They're just good brushes. Starting with Gold Nectar, this guy right here. Let's just load that up. And that's going to go primarily over the bottom lid here, a little into the contour and the crease. We're not going to take it up to the brow bone. Beautiful. Then going in with, let's see, Sextrovert, this guy right here. Same brush, just wiped off the excess on a towel from the previous application. This is going to go right into my crease. This is going to create the shadow for my crease. And then moving on, let me find my smaller brush here. I think this is the brush I used for this. Next, I want to use Illicit. Is that correct? No. Corruption. This guy, Corruption, right here. And I'm moving down to a smaller angle brush. This is a crease brush. The number on this is 306. Okay, what did I do next? I think I switched over to this Pat McGrath palette and using this guy right here. I don't know what this one is. I lost the little like tell you what the color is thing, but it's this. It's got a red up here, a white, a gold, and then this like shimmery taupey color. I don't know. But it doesn't also have to be Pat McGrath. That's the great thing. Use my videos as inspiration. Look at my techniques. Look at the colors that I'm using, not the brands that I'm using. And be like, oh, fuck, I could do that. Because I don't even know that I'm duplicating exactly the same thing on this side that I am on this side. Because not only have I been drinking this gin, I've also been, just calms the nerves, but it's bad for the memory. So this should be even testament that you don't have to do exactly what I did on this eye to create the look that you want, because I don't even know that I'm going to do that. But it would be so close, and you'll have the types of tones and colors with the brushes, or at the very least, just the movements and the techniques to create the look. And then you take it from there and you make it your own, yeah? You do you, girl. Okay, let's see what I'm doing now. Okay, I took a little of that, and then I'm gonna go into this. This is the Eye Ecstasy Sublime palette, and for this, I'm gonna be using. This is the Illicit color right here. This guy right here, and. Teeny tiny little angle brush. It is, of course, a Real Techniques brush. Oh, it's covered up with schmutz and makeup. I don't even know what this is. What is this? The 313. 313, I think it is. The small angle brush here. And then this defining crease brush. Is it defining crease brush? Blending crease brush? I don't know. It's the 304, but this is excellent. And let's go into just a little bit of the corruption color. Corruption color. Right here. This guy. Let's just kind of soften and blend that out. I think we're doing pretty good. Guys. All right, let's see. Next, I want to take a little eyeshadow brush, just like this guy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but all right, Cujo needs a shot. And then this lightest guy right here, Sinful. Sinful. I don't want to pop him right on the brow bone. And then I need to bring some of this in. So I'm going to go in with this 306 brush again. And I think this time I'm using this Pat McGrath color right here. And this is going to be just kind of giving a little bit of depth on the outside corner here. Yeah, that looks good. I think that's right. Actually, I don't think this is right. This looks a little darker than what I had originally used, but maybe that just means one less step. And, I mean, as long as you're blending your shit, it's going to look good. The other thing I realized I just forgot to do is do my eyeliners first. So let's do that. But first, I do want to blend out. Blending. It's super important. So let's, even if I think I've made a mistake, at least blend the mistake to make it look like it's not a mistake, and it'll make it that much easier to fix it. Right? All right. Smack eye kohl pencil. MAC eye kohl pencil in Smolder. Can you guys tell I'm inebriated. Okay, this is gonna go on the secret liner on the inside upper lash line, like in the lash bed. Yeah, kind of gotta see that. And then let's do a line here. And then we want to get the waterline. And then let's get a bottom liner going with this kohl pencil. Very good. All right, going back with this 313 angle brush, I'm just going to soften the liner. Both top and bottom. And then for the bottom liner, I'll even use the defining crease brush and just really diffuse the edge. Beautiful. Okay, what is next? Angle brush and this really dark, this dark guy right here. Let's hit that again. I want to get a little more in this crease. Okay. Let's see. Let's prep for lashes. I gotta curl them. And then I gotta put some mascara on them. And then I actually gotta put the lashes on. Okay, I'm back. And I've chosen this look. And I don't know why. Probably because it's a brand new wig. And I don't want to cut the lace out of it just yet. Because I like to take my time with that. So the hat covers it up. But I don't know. I just feel like it's, I don't know. It's sort of like Chinatown 2022. So I'm into it if you are. All right, let's finish off the lips. To do that, I am using Runway Rogue's new Pearl Glam liquid lipstick color in Starlit. And I have a little bit of just a neutral liner on. It's like, it smells like vanilla icing or like cake batter. Oh, it's just so good. It's so good. It's so good. All right, so getting Starlit all up in my grill. I feel very Showgirls 2022, right? Like, hi, I'm the star of Goddess. Are you going to LA? So that's nice and dry. It's a liquid lipstick, so it's going to last all day. But what I would like to do is put a little bit gloss on there and just kind of tap, tap, tap the gloss into the lip color. Okay guys, this is it, the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those downstairs. If you can, please like and subscribe. That is always appreciated. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.